Sean George with Toledo Isuzu Trucks, Valley Truck Centers in Northwest Ohio, and this is the 2023 Isuzu FTR. This non-CDL cab-over engine style FTR has a gross vehicle weight rating of 25,950 pounds. Comes in 8 wheelbases from 152 inches up to 248 inches, allowing you for a 30-foot body, which gives you the same footprint as traditional trucks with only a 26-foot body. Now this is equipped with a Cummins V6.7 liter turbocharged diesel engine and an Allison 2550 RDS 6-speed automatic transmission with PTO capability, giving the FTR the flexibility for any upfit needs that you have. So getting access to the engine is real simple. So you just lift the cab up, and now if I lifted it up all the way, it would lock into place, and I just squeeze that little silver handle and it'll come unlock, and I bring it all the way down, lock it right back into place. This is also equipped with an engine warning system, which provides an audible alarm for low oil pressure, low coolant level, and high coolant temps. You can also add the emergency shutdown, which the engine will shut down after 30 seconds after this alarm is sounded, giving you time to pull over to the side of the road to prevent any further damage. Now this comes with 12,000 pound front axles, 12,000 pound taper leaf suspension. If you get the low profile model, you have a 11,000 pound front axle and a 12,000 pound suspension still, but you get those 255 by 70R premium highway tires. The unladen frame height is 35.9 inches on the low profile model, 38.2 on the standard model, giving you a lower profile, of course, overall. You also have standard steel wheels, but you can change that to aluminum, especially if you're driving in those winter conditions where they salt the roads all the time. Moving on to the front, you got your standard breakaway mirrors. They come in 96 wide or 102 wide, depending on your body upfit. You got your signature Isuzu grille that is removable. It also comes in chrome. Your LED standard headlights. The rest of your lights are halogen. However, you do have the optional LED lighting package, which can make all your lights LED for longer lasting, brighter lights. Comes with a steel bumper with dual tow hooks. You also have the lift up hood access for access to your windshield washer fluid and service access. First thing that you notice when we move to the front is the windshield, just the visibility that you get with this FTR windshield. Because of the cab over engine style, you have an extra 16 feet in ground view compared to traditional trucks, allowing you to see just up to 8 feet in front of you. With this added with the 50-degree wheel cut, integrated power steering, what do you think you have? You have an extremely maneuverable, safer to drive, easier to drive truck, especially if you're going into the cities or in the subdivisions. Moving on to the passenger side, with your standard breakaway mirrors, let's not forget that you have the option for heated and heated remote mirrors. You also have the 12-volt maintenance-free batteries with a lockable box. You also have the option for AGM batteries for those cold weather customers. Due to the slow discharge rate, they're really great for that. These provide a longer lifespan, generating more starts and lower resistance for higher and faster output. You have the Cummins single module after treatment system with diesel particulate filter and selective catalytic reduction in the horizontal exhaust. As we move on to the rear, you have your Bendix full air service brakes with anti-lock brakes. You also have an air operated exhaust brake, air controlled parking brake, heated air dryer, and automatic slack adjusters, all standard. Your rear axle is rated at 19,000 pounds with a 21,000 pound multi-leaf suspension, or the optional 23,000 pound air suspension. Your standard axle ratio is 5.57, unless you go with the low profile model FTR, which has an axle ratio of 4.88. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the fuel tanks. So you can get 50-gallon or 100-gallon fuel tanks depending on the wheelbase that you choose. 152 and 170-inch wheelbases comes in 50-gallon aluminum tanks. The 236 and 248-inch wheelbase, you get the 100-gallon, and then anything in between, you can do 50 or 100. So with the 10-gallon heated def tank you got here, also you have the option to add a engine block heater and receptacle, or an engine block heater and oil pan heater with receptacle. Now moving on to the inside, you notice the 90-degree door opening. You got your self-cleaning steps and your dual grab handles. If you add optional keyless entry, it makes it very easy to get inside and out of your truck. So to start off, you have your tilt and telescopic steering wheel. So you can position it however you want that's most comfortable for you, including your air suspension seat as well for the driver. So you have 3-man seating. This middle one pulls down. You can see all the rear storage space that you have behind your seats, including this center compartment in the middle seat. So this truck has a lot of storage, plenty of storage, including the overhead storage with storage doors on both the driver and the passenger side. The FTR comes standard with AC, power windows and locks, AM, FM, CD, USB auxiliary input, and Bluetooth. And you can also add an optional 7-inch color touchscreen with backup alarm, rear camera, and let's not forget the heavy-duty floor mats. So this 2023 Isuzu FTR comes standard with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty with the option to add a Cummins extended engine and after treatment warranty up to 5 years, 300,000 miles, and an Allison extended warranty up to 2 years or 4 years unlimited miles. Now if you add both of these warranties, you can add the priority service maintenance program that Isuzu offers. It's an amazing package actually. If you plan on taking your Isuzu to an authorized dealer and you purchase this package, it locks you in at today's rates. So if over the next 5 years, 250,000 miles, which is what that package is for, the rates rise over the course of that time, yours will not. So you can also just try it out if you want to. You can cancel it at any time, and any of the services that you do not use are fully refundable back to you. Now after I showed you this truck, I hope you understand why with Isuzu's nearly 300 dealerships, why they are the best low cab forward selling truck on the market for the past 30 years. Thanks for taking the time. Let me tell you, come get an Isuzu.